What go on, my people? So Spice seems to be beefing with every sector of dancehall. A MC Nuffy, a journalist Nikki, and a fellow entertainer like herself, the Angel. You know what I mean? And Spice is now very controversial. From she dissed Narrow from Nightly Flicks, and now she's into the new year, people. Beefing with everyone, it seems, and just anyone who seems to speak about her behavior, which include Nikki Z, seems to get bashed. You know what I mean? And people, I don't know, I respect Spice and what she did, where she did this colorism thing and bring awareness to it and all of that. And I said that she is the queen of dancehall, based on the craftiness behind it, and based on her work over the period of time, getting a Billboard hit with vybz Kartel, The Ramping Shop, and being on Love and Hip Hop, and just exploring her wings and just the work ethics. You know what I mean? So big up to Spice. But people, I'm wondering if Spice that says she's the queen of dancehall, is her behavior appropriate and to represent the genre? Because I say nay. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to tell you why I say nay to that. You know what I mean? I respect Spice. But these vulgarity and these explicit on Instagram people is very uncalled for and very disrespectful. And I don't know, I know Spice is an outspoken person. But to when you have certain responsibility, you have to remember that you are responsible for what you say or do. And Spice, as a mother of kids growing up on Instagram, calling people dog shit and being very disrespectful and explicit, it's very nasty. You know what I mean? And Spice, I don't condone none of that. And even though I said you're the queen of dancehall, from my perspective, that should disqualify you. You know what I mean? You're gonna blame everyone. You said that let's go into details with the Angel now, people. She said that she did a song with the Angel, and the Angel did a video. I take a screenshot from it. That's the video, and upload on our Instagram, explaining how the song come about, and saying that it was written by someone else, and she called her, and after the fact that they weren't talking, and she reached out to her, Spice reached out to her first, the Angel, to rectify it, and she said that it wasn't the right time. And then like couple months after, she reached back out to her, saying that okay, it's a up movement for women, let's put this behind us and try to bring some unity into it. You know what I mean? And she said they did the song together. Someone asked Spice on her Instagram about the Angel. Spice was jumpy enough to reply, saying that she don't know about Angel, and saying that from Angel and her did the song, which Angel was calling down her phone, that she didn't hear back from Angel. First and foremost, you and someone did a song together. They owe you no form of obligation. This is an industry, and if me and you collaborate, I am not owned by you, you're not owned by me, so I owe you no obligation. It was just a collaboration in respect to the same genre, and yes, we're building unity. You know what I mean? So I don't understand how Spice is acting like the Angel supposed to show her any love and run behind her, as the Angel is saying like she's looking for praise. You know what I mean? And Spice should remember that MC Nuffy was the one bust her, according to Nuffy. Nuffy was saying that he's the one who bust Spice and put Spice on the forefront, and Spice showing no love while bigging up other people.
Yeah, boy, I watch my product, you know, knowing that they don't rap me thing. But so she does full of style. I big up Baby Sham now, and I big up Dave Kelly, and I big up Leng, and I big up Burton, and I big up every day. So you know I big up Nuffy. Where's Spice? You can't keep your big up, but just want to know, say, I'm me, make you dead so. I mean, I care what you want to say. I'm me, bust you. You could just call when you don't want to say, I'm me not care.
So if she's trying to blame the Angel, MC Nuffy is accusing her of doing the same thing. You know what I mean, people? So I don't know how comes she's accusing people and trying to twist and dice the story after these things are manifesting on the internet by your tweets and your actions and all of those girls that you have around you trying to boost you up. It seems, and there's just some girls around Spice, it seems, just trying to get her forward and trying to create mischief, and this is uncalled for. And for Spice to trying to be the queen of dancehall and representing with such reckless manner, I would have dethroned her if I have the authority, because this behavior is inappropriate. You know what I mean? To represent dancehall is inappropriate. You see me, some people. So I'm saying that even Nikki Z that was defending Narrow, you want no one to stand up to you, it seems, Spice, because Nikki Z was defending Narrow, which your action was uncalled for. You know what I mean? And for Nikki Z to stand up against you and call you out, and you're trying to demonizing Nikki Z, saying that she used to be with Chi Ching Ching. What's wrong with Nikki Z being with Chi Ching Ching? What's wrong with any female artist being with the next dancehall artist that's a male? What's wrong with that? So that was uncalled for you to call her out, because Nuffy claimed that you and him was in intimate relationship. So how comes now you want to put the Angel under the spotlight for having multiple sexual affairs, even though she end one relationship and come to the other, and you want to bash Nikki Z for having a relationship with Chi Ching Ching as if they're not a part of the same industry and it happened before. You know what I mean? So I don't see why you're bashing Nikki Z for that either. You know what I mean? Because someone needs to stand up to your action and tell you that what you're saying and doing is uncalled for, and you need to calm down, and this hype is getting to your head. You know what I mean? So big up all of Portmore, Brayton, Spice, big up yourself, but you need to respect dancehall. You need to respect people that seen it and set the trend before you, because even Mr. Vegas put a post on his Instagram saying that Lady spot is still vacant, which is the queen of dancehall, throwing shade at you. You know what I mean? I'm not a fan of Vegas, but Vegas is kind of right in certain sense, knowing your behavior is not something that no one in the genre is condoning. Only person is condoning this right now I see is entertainer I-Octane retweeting and liking your post, and I don't know what is his motive behind it, but I-Octane, I personally is disappointed in you as a Rastafarian. You know what I mean? So big up to everybody. You see me? That's just my perspective on it. Peace. I'm out.
Work in the country, you have to look on. And him do great works too, because even though him the jail, him still be the champion DJ boy. And some boy we said them didn't want him go jail.
The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. I am saying that. Winfred Williams. Take me on that if you wish.